at a beside Adunya Geography Secondary School Geography Worksheet for grade 12 2016 or 2024. Choose the correct answer. The first one is the Dutch period of Mesozoic era Pangea started to break into several parties. A. Jurassic, B. Triassic, C. Cretaceous, D. None. The answer is B. During the Triassic period. Which one of the following is not evidence of movement of continents? A. Coastal line similarity, B. Similarities of man, C. Similarity of climate, D. Similarities of vegetables. The answer is B. The answer is B. Similarity of man is not the evidence of movement of continents. Dash states that the Earth's lithosphere is divided into plates that move around on the top of the astrosphere. A. Continental drift theory, B. Plate tectonic theory, C. Volcanic theory, D. All. The answer is B. Plate tectonic theory. Dash are boundaries where two plates move towards each other. Dash are boundaries where two plates move towards each other. A. Convergent plate boundaries, B. Divergent plate boundaries, C. Transform fault boundaries, D. All. The answer is a divergent plate boundary. Forces create irregularities or universeness on the face of the Earth comes from internal surface called exogenic force. A. The first one is exogenic force, B. External force, C. Endogenic force, D. None. The answer is C. Endogenic force. Dasher occurs when rock layers are pushed from two directions. Dasher occurs when rock layers are pushed from two directions. Pushed from two directions. A. Volcano, B. Earthquake, C. Faulting, D. Faulting. The answer is Dasher occurs when rock layers are pushed from two directions is folding. Dash is formed when one limb is steeper than the other limb. Is asymmetric fold, overtrace fold, overfold, asymmetric fold. Which mountain is not categorized into young fold mountains? The answer is D. Urals. Dash are formed when the land between two parallel faults is pushed upward. Block Mountain, Horst Mountain, Rift Valley, D and B, C, B and C. The answer is C. Block Mountain or Horst Mountain. Volcanoes occurs mainly except A. Near the boundaries of tectonic plate, B. They form along belts of tensions, C. Where plates diverge, D. Along belts of compression, E. None. The answer is near the boundaries of tectonic belts. Another one is number 11. Dash are steep cones composed of alternating layers of lava and pyroclastic or rock fragments. A. Shield volcanoes, B. Stratovolcanoes, C. Cylinder cone volcanoes, D. Caldera. The answer is stratovolcano. Dash is formed as the magma rises up through a near vertical crack. A. Seal, B. Dike, C. Batholith, D. Lactolith. The answer is Lactolith. Which one is grouped into chemical weathering, rain action, frost action, thermal expansion and contraction? D. None. The answer is which one is grouped into chemical weathering, rain action, frost action, thermal expansion and contraction? D. None. The answer is
rain action.
Rain action. When water flows between layers of limestone, it dissolves and erodes part of the rock and forms holes. This is known as dash. Biological weathering, hydrological weathering, physical weathering, chemical weathering. The answer is D. Which one is false about erosion by running water? Running water is more powerful in shaping the surface of the earth. B, the ability of running water to erode and transport material is directly related to the speed. C, the rate of erosion by running water also depends on the vegetation cover. D, less powerful in shaping the surface of the earth. The answer is D, less powerful in shaping the surface of the earth is the answer. One of the following is not characteristic of lower river course. A, river flows slow. B, it has a narrow and a flat flood valley. C, most material carried in substantions are deposited. D, this material do form different features along the course of river. The answer is B, it has a narrow and a flat flood valleys. 16. Dash is a hill with the shape of crescent moon or quarter moon. A, losses. B, sandy dune. C, Barkhan. D, speed. The answer is C, Barkhan. Dash is not the controlling factor of mass wasting. A, water. B, the angle of the slope. C, the activity of people. D, air. The answer is the angle of slope. Which one is not true about climate change? A, changes in the mean and or the availability of its properties and that persists for an extended period, typically decade or longer. B, any change in climate over time due to the either natural variability of human activities. C, a relatively distant problem that simply implies that it will get hotter. D, none. The answer is D. Dash is grouped into human induced climate change. A, atmospheric particles. B, particles near the surface. C, land use changes. D, variation in solar output. The answer is C, land use changes. Variation in solar output. Number 20. Dash takes place before impacts become apparent. A, it takes place before. This is the number 20 is the answer under given A is incorrect. That means takes place before impact before apparent. B, private or public adaptation. C, reactive or anticipatory adaptation. D, done. The answer is C, reactive or anticipatory adaptation. Dash set mandatory target for reducing greenhouse gas emission in countries that adapt to Plan A Kyoto Protocol. C, COP9. C, COP8. D, COP6. The answer is Kyoto Protocol. Number 22. Dash sustainable system must maintain a sustainable resource basis and avoid over-exploitation of non-renewable resource system. A, economic. B, social. D, environmental. D, all. The answer is C, environmental. D, all. The answer is environmental. One of the following is not the shortcoming of the notion of sustainable development. A, the absence of single concept of sustainable development with multiple concept definition causing considerable implementation difficulties. B, the controversial character of several methods used by the concept of sustainable development. C, without doubt, the concept of sustainable development goals are aimed at creating a just and balanced world design. D, can bring benefit to all parts of humanity rather than to certain people. The answer is D, can bring benefit to all parts of humanity rather than to certain people is not the shortcoming of the notion of the sustainable development. Which statement is false about renewable natural source? A, renewable natural sources are replaceable in character. B, flow resources. C, they can replace themselves in the foreseeable future. D. Renewable sources comprise all living or biotic resource only. The answer is D. Dash occurs when different groups in a society face unequal resource access. A. Demand-induced scarcity. B. Supply-induced scarcity. C. Structural scarcity. D. None. The answer is C. Structural scarcity.